How do policymakers decided on helmets are compulsory while driving two-wheelers or not allowed to smoke in public? And how do WHO decided what healthy eating recommendation to make, like salt intake of less than 5 grams per person per day? These are the example of public health decision made using epidemiology. Epidemiology is the study of distribution and determinants of health-related states or events in a specified population and application of this knowledge in the control of disease. Now let us understand each word in this definition. Study means to gather evidences either by studying on animals in vivo study or in test tube known as in vitro studies. But lab studies and studies on animals cannot tell us everything about humans. Then we should go for more studies involving real people. The studies on the real people are unethical except few conditions. You can't expose people to potentially dangerous interventions just to see what's happening. This leaves us a choice of observing people in real world to figure out connection between exposure and its health effects. Here comes two important keywords: study of distribution and determinants of health effects. We further explore time, place, and person distribution. At what time most of the people are affected? Are they living close to the exposure in question? What is the age group? Whether men are affected more than the women? Exposure doesn't always mean occurrence of disease. Availability and accessibility to health services, nutrition, lifestyle, our genes, the environment in which we live, and the economic stability determines the occurrence of disease, hence known as determinants. Alright, what is health related states and events? Indeed, the term health related states or event may be seen as anything that affects the well being of population. Obesity, overweight is a state, so as the underweight. Many epidemiologists use this term disease for a wide range of health related states and events. Birth, date, marriage are the few examples of health related events. Policymakers use this information to formulate rules, regulations, and guidelines for prevention and control of disease. Role of epidemiologists is like detective who try to solve the puzzle of cause and effect, which ultimately helps in restoring public health. Hope you like this video. If you are first time here, don't forget to leave us like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to notify the more such interesting content in future. Thank you. See you in the next video really very soon.